What is going on, everybody? R.A.T.S Airsoft back with another gameplay video. Today I'll be using my KWA-T10 and we're playing at a new location called R.A.T.S Airsoft. This place is kind of cool because it's a repurposed school that's been turned into an airsoft field, and it has a mix between indoor and outdoor play. So for now, this first gameplay video will be outdoors. It was a little bit of an adjustment knowing all the angles for this new map. So we take it a little slow here, get hit a lot because we don't know any of the angles, but still had fun. So I hope you enjoy and stay tuned for other gameplay.
I'm actually sweating.
How is that possible?
My fingers are numb.
Like, my hands are kind of cold, yeah, but like everything else is so warm.
So I can do jumping jacks.
Yeah, my body's not cold, but my fingers.
The game mode we're playing this match is an escort game mode. We have two refs that we need to get to a certain extraction point, and we have unlimited lives, but the refs have 2 lives. They can be revived twice, and on the 3rd life, if they get hit, they're out.
Let's see. Yeah. We got one right.
If you peek left here, you can get a lot.
Hit.
I'll get a rifle.
Oh.
Hey, I know you.
Hey, how's it going?
It's been a while.
Yeah. How have you been?
Good. New gun?
Yep. I got it
Have a
just
speed
for,
loader on you?
what'd you say?
Happen to have a speed loader on you?
Oh, no, I don't.
You for Noah usually do. Nah. Christian, you got a speed loader on?
Michael,
I ain't got a lower.
you want to push up to that white bin?
Yeah, good.
Okay, you ready? We have to run quickly. Okay, 3.
Is there a way to make this brighter, like the X, or the
Um,
brighter?
Normally on the dial right here, it might make it brighter, but I'm not sure with that one. You ready?
3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh, wait, Michael. There's one right here on the left side. Do you have any cover on your side?
On the left side?
On the right side, sorry, might be.
Alright, I'll go ahead and do it. Where at?
I have no clue. Oh.
Right here's where you'll start getting shot.
I'd take one of the mags.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
My gun's almost out of ammo.
So here I was adjusting the hop of my gun when I ran into a kid that we've played with at the other field we go to. It was pretty crazy seeing him an hour away, and if you're watching this video, just know, you rock.
Heavy.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
There you go.
Ooh, I like that.
Thank
can
you.
Shoot that one once it
Oh, I have this gun actually.
You do?
Yeah, I have it in this tan color right here. I love that gun right there.
I'm just borrowing it from a friend while he uses my gun, but he gave it to me with barely any ammo.
Oh no. Yeah, I'm running low myself too. Oh.
Like, you just want to walk up the middle with me?
Yeah, I'll go up the middle.
Alright, I'm gonna call hit the entire way. Unless I find him, trade guns down.
Oh, looks like we made some way up the middle.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Sorry, bro. Fat ninja.
Yeah.
Oh, you were like that.
Oops, sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
Minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
1 minute!
At least that's to my understanding.
And that ends the first game. We're trying out a new game mode, and the spawning situation was a little wonky on both teams, and it showed with how little we were able to push up or even see through the wooded cover. We ended up fixing it the next game, and it plays way better, so stay tuned to see more of what happens at this day at R.A.T.S Airsoft. Remember, if you liked the video, leave a comment in the description of what you liked, and if you disliked the video, also leave a comment in the description so that I could fix everything. We're also doing a giveaway once we hit 100 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment in the description what you like about Airsoft. That'll enter you in the drawing. Thank you, and I hope you all have a great day. And as always, remember, have fun, be safe, play Airsoft.
I'm a flight risk. I don't think they're ready for the shit. Take a flight to Cali for the bid. They don't ever wanna see me win. That's a lot of conversation. See me going up, I'm off the grid. Wanna make a couple dollars for my kids. Always walking to the money, never slip. Always telling all the truth, I never fit.
Really?